video
What
this.
just happened?
So there's a vehicle that is a turnpike vehicle in front of us. I'm sorry for this squirrely video, but like his back tire is...
Fuck's sake, man.
Much later, Iran attempted to do the same thing. You see, Iran, in the wake of the 1979 Islamic Revolution, became both the new central power in Shiism as well as the only modern country.
What are you doing there, bud?
What is happening? This is so stupid.
In una salute inebriante. La, il palato, la vista, l'udito, l'intelletto sono tutti gradi verso la vera felicità unitaria.
What do you want to say, Callum?
Get your brain making content like Canadians.
By folks who really know their craft. Cheryl passed to my website. She opened her, she was so excited. It was my turn to open again.
The fuck Joe Biden guy. What the fuck?
Society with people that are advocating to kill everybody else that they disagree with. You just can't. You can't have that.
Holy
like, I mean,
shit!
again, like the thing is
What
that.
the fuck? Hi, good morning.
You were stopped for disobeying the sign on there that says no right turn from 7 a.m. to 9:30. I need to see your driver's license, please.
Yes, sir.
How are they different? How are they not the same thing? Because they very much seem similar.
Yeah, I think from a consumer point of view, there's very little difference between these products. You put money on the line. If your team wins, you get paid out.
Bike lane.
So from like a layman's point of view, I think there's very little difference.
What are you doing, you idiot?
There is a difference. On a gambling, in gambling, you're betting against the house.
What are you doing?
The betting firm sets the odds that you're betting against, right?
Okay.
Whereas in a prediction market, your counterparty is another trader. So.
What the hell was he thinking? Jak Shane, nie? Shane był ATM też.
O kurwa, mać.
Jezus! Co on zrobił, ten gościu?
Nah, bro. Sério, mas não podes fazer isso. Ai, anjinho de quatrinho com esta gente.
talk to me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Say what you will at the hardware store. Don't get you started talking about sports, baby. I want you to talk to me. Can't get your tongue when we're talking about what I need. Think of the silent type, but that ain't what I like. I need a man who knows how to speak. So talk to me. Yap on the phone with your daddy till dawn. Fishing with your buddies, going on and on and on. Those fish hear more than me. Cat gets your tongue when we're talking about